Hey, so I brought in my AMS bamboo, the x1c from outside because outside today in Chicago was 100. So in there was like 105 in that little storage room. So I brought it in here. So is there a temperature limitation of how high this can handle something? Even though my print job did go successfully for 5 hours outside with no issue. It's immaculate. It's a strawberry hanging planter. Oops. Anyways, this here, the gauge on the inside here was 106 degrees, and it was at like 37%. So I'm pretty sure I gotta change these desiccants out. And then wondering, is there a temperature allowance to be on the inside? Because on the inside here, I'm running AC, and the AC is normally at 75 degrees. Like today specifically was like 74 degrees in here, which I don't see an issue, but no idea, because the PLA plate says cool plate, but meaning cool plate, it's a cold plate or what? I have no idea, because if it's 75 in here and this might be colder than what it should be, will that handle it? So multiple questions there. And then of course, I'm sure your questions are, why do you still have the original plastic seal on the X1C? Well, because from everybody's videos out there, once you remove these, you get the nice, very loud noise. Me having this on, you barely even hear any sound. So it's great sound protection. Yes, it probably still bleeds through the little cracks and whatever the case may be, but it's better than ever. All right, thanks.